Acadia National Park may dominate that list. However, just outside downtown Bangor, there is a vast network of trails that meander through the woods on conservation land that's owned by the city and also local nonprofits.
However, one of those trails has hit a snag as a wooden bridge long used to take hikers over a brook has rotted away. But as News Center Maine's Donovan Lynch reports, the replacement being put in place is something of an engineering marvel.
On the forest floor, old gives way to new. So it's fitting that what's built in these woods should follow suit.
As I said, it's going to outlast us all.
Just off of busy Stillwater Avenue in Bangor, the Penjajawak Forest offers a peaceful retreat popular with hikers and bikers. But right now it's split in two by a rocky brook and no way to get across.
We built a proper bridge and it rotted, as things do.
But Lucy Quimby, president of the Bangor Land Trust, which owns and maintains these woods, says a solution, and a high-tech one at that, is in the works.
What it offers that the old bridge didn't is that it will be there.
The Bangor Land Trust is using $15,000 in COVID relief funds to build a bridge in the forest using the same technology as some of the most cutting-edge infrastructure projects in the country, composite beams. They're made by combining glass fibers with polyurethane resin, much in the same way you'd combine newsprint with glue to make paper mache. The result?
This material does not rust like steel, it does not rot like wood. It has a lot of advantages.
Anthony Deba is one of the project's designers and an engineer with AIT, a company founded on a concept developed at the University of Maine that the same materials used in aerospace and shipbuilding would make for sturdy bridges. When it comes to building a place for hikers to cross in the woods, Deba says the composite has another upside.
They are way easier to get into the woods compared to a big wooden beam.
And the carrying has begun, with volunteers from Bangor Land Trust bringing the composite beams into the forest where they will last
over 100 years.
Until the next high-tech fix has to weave its way through these trees. In Bangor, Donovan Lynch, News Center, Maine.
And by the way, members of the Bangor Land Trust say the construction will happen over the course of several weekends where volunteers will bring materials into the woods and assemble them.